What up, everyone? Welcome to a special holiday edition from SilverHammer Surveillance. Yours truly, George Langebeer. Today we are talking Christmas tech. Let's get started. What up, everybody? It's George Langebeer with SilverHammer Surveillance. Here on the channel, we talk smart home tech, we talk home security, and lately we've been talking colon cancer because yours truly was diagnosed with colon cancer. I've been sharing my journey, trying to spread awareness. Speaking of awareness, check out the shirt, do what it says, please. But today is not about that. Today is about spreading the holiday cheer with some smart home tech that involves Christmas, specifically a smart Christmas tree from Twinkly. This is the Twinkly Evergreen Classic 7-foot Christmas tree, 660 LEDs that change all sorts of colors. You can control it with your smart home, both on the Twinkly app and thanks to a firmware update with Apple Home or HomeKit, which is awesome. So we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna talk about the setup, which was very easy, by the way. And then we're gonna talk about some of the features. So let's start with the unboxing. Okay, so that's the unboxing, pretty straightforward. 3 pieces of the tree, you've got the stand, then the assembly is just as easy. You put the 3 pieces together and they've got some arrows to line up and it's very simple. And then you just kind of fluff the tree a little bit. They kind of come all bunched together and you just branch it out. And that's it. The lights are already ready to go. Once you plug it in, then you're just ready to add it to the Twinkly app. So you add it just like any other device. You do the Bluetooth first, then you add it to your Wi-Fi network, and then bam, it finds it. That's like a 5-minute process. And then once you got it in the Twinkly app, you have access to all their different effects. This is the up and down effect, but you can do rainbow, you can do everything else. So we're gonna have the same effect on all our Twinkly devices here, so they'll all be nice and cohesive, which is a thing that I like to do. Cohesiveness is wonderful and beautiful. And then also, thanks to the latest firmware update, which you go through when you set it up, you can add this to Apple Home. So you just go to the Apple HomeKit section of this device on the Twinkly app. It's very simple. It takes you right through the process. You name it, you put it in the room that you want in your Apple Home, and bam. So Apple Home, you can turn it on, you can turn it off, you can put it in your automations, you can change it to a single color. You just don't have access to Twinkly's effects. So that's the only bummer about Apple Home. But you got the Twinkly app. By the way, in the Twinkly app, you can also do timers. So you can have this come on at a certain time, off at a certain time. So you can do that in Twinkly or Apple Home. But this is all extremely straightforward. And again, as far as the tree goes, this is the Twinkly Evergreen Classics. It's the Falls Fir, if you're searching it. I'll put an affiliate link in the description below for this tree. It is $599, this particular one. I think there's a $75 coupon at the moment. But so this one's a little expensive. Now they do have several different options. They also just have lights that you can put on your own Christmas tree. But I really was digging this one for how easy it was. The size, 7 foot, was perfect for this room. I love the 660 LEDs. I think some of the different price points have different amount of LEDs in the tree. So check that out. But again, falls fir, and I'm digging it. So a great addition to SilverHammer Tower for the holidays. So what do you think? What do you think about the smart home and Christmas? I like it. And we had a very minimalist tree at our old place, and you could change colors, but it didn't even have real branches or anything. So for this particular traditional, more style of a home, we needed something different, and I think this is the perfect match. Don't you agree, Teresa?
I do.
So I'm excited to have this, but what do you think? Are you getting a smart tree? Have you tried a smart tree? Have you tried any of Twinkly's products? Let me know in the comments what you think. But again, great addition to the smart home. So as far as SilverHammer's future, as far as the channel goes, we're going to keep coming back with content as much as I can. We are in the midst of a hell of a week for my cancer fight, and I'm going to come back with an update as soon as this week is over, because there's a lot going on this week, hopefully for the positive, which we'll get more into once I know more. But I'm going to keep giving you updates there. And then, you know, I'm about to be going through chemo. That's what it looks like. And it's 2 days on, 12 days off, and I'm hoping in that 12 days off, after a couple days of recovery, I can keep putting out videos, and that's the plan. So we're gonna see how I feel, you know, family first, health first, all that good stuff. But man, these videos are very therapeutic for me, so I wanna keep coming back as much as possible. But stay tuned for my next cancer update, and then hopefully I'll have more information on what the next video is after that. But I wanted to give you this special holiday edition. Very excited to have this tree going and have some holiday cheer in our lives. All right, so that's it. Until next time, peace and love.